So the lecturer can use this status search filter here to only look at results that are undergoing review now. So just by selecting undergoing review and clicking on next, so that shows you only the two results that probably the HOD has approved and they are now undergoing review. So the lecturer can also look at the results that are still awaiting review, which means that the HOD has not actually approved by just changing the status here to awaiting review and clicking on next. So it shows you only this one result that is awaiting review. Let's now go ahead and look at how to reject a result. Like I said before, the same way, the same process applies to when the HOD is HOD wants to reject a result, and when the dean wants to also reject a result. So I'll go ahead as a HOD and click on session to select the session, select the semester, and click on next. So that will drop down all the courses that have results against them for the particular session and semester uploaded against them for the particular session and semester that I just selected. So I'll select the course, then I'll click on fetch results. So remember the last time when we approved two courses and we approved two results and we'll have one result that is left here. So apparently I want to reject this particular result. So I'll just go ahead and select the result, then I'll click on reject. So the same modal will come up, showing me the result I want to reject. Then also, in addition, there is a text field here that will always ask for reason for rejection. Now, you cannot reject a result, whether it's the HOD or the dean, without specifying exactly the reason why you're rejecting the result. So I'll just go ahead and type the reason here. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and generate the authentication or authorization key for this particular activity. So I'll go ahead and click on generate authentication key. It will generate a fresh authentication key and send it to my email, or to the email of the HOD or the dean, as the case may be. So just go ahead and click and type the authorization key here, 183088191. You can also copy and paste this key for easy access. So you just the next thing to do is just to go ahead and click on reject. So I'll click on reject, and result review. Your selection has been rejected and a notification has been sent to the lecturer or lecturers that uploaded the results. So what this means is that for every result that is being rejected, an email is sent to the lecturer that uploaded the results, stating the results that were rejected and the reason why the results were rejected. So the same thing happens also when the dean rejects a result. The lecturer is also being notified that this result has been rejected, and also who rejected the result, as well as the reason why the result was rejected. And at this point, it's also important to mention that once a lecturer uploads a result, the lecturer cannot make changes to the result. The lecturer cannot upload another copy of that result until or accept the results, the one that was uploaded is either being rejected by the HOD or by the dean. That's when the lecturer can now go ahead and re-upload another copy of that result. So let's look at what the lecturer sees now. So remember, the lecturer goes to uploaded results and select the session, select the semester, and for the status we're going to leave it as all, so we can pull the whole results regardless of the status. So I'll just go ahead and click on next. So this drops down all the results that the lecturer has uploaded against the session and the semester. So if you look at the test student one that the HOD rejected, under the HOD column you're going to see rejected there. Under the dean's column, cannot be reviewed because the HOD actually rejected this result, notifying this particular lecturer via email the reason why the result was rejected, and also the list of results that were rejected. So the lecturer can also click on this icon by the rejected to see the reason why the particular result was also rejected. So in situations where there are a whole lot of rejected results, or the lecturer just wants to pull the rejected result, as usual, the lecturer can come here, this filter here, and select rejected as status and click on next. So that's just going to drop down only the rejected results. So at this point, the lecturer can go ahead and make changes to this result and re-upload the results for further approval. It's also important to note that this rejected result, as it is here, will not leave this place. This particular result will not leave this table, even though the lecturer re-uploads another one. That one will be treated as a separate result, and this one will still be here, and the lecturer can always reference this rejected result at any point.